Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will talk about the next name of our creator, that is Al-Musawwir. Al-Musawwir comes from the root sawara, which means to shape, to form, to fashion. This name of our creator has four main meanings. Number 1, the one who designs and gives form. Al-Musawwir is the one who designs everything in creation and then gives it a physical form. He gives each creation its unique form, features, size, color, and identity. The wings of a butterfly, the patterns on a peacock, the size of a mountain, the curves of every leaf. Nothing is accidental. Everything is designed and shaped with beauty, precision, and wisdom. Allah says in the Quran, He forms you in the wombs as He wills. From nothing, Allah shapes the human beings. Eyes form, the heart beats, bones develop, muscles grow, the brain forms, the soul is placed. Every stage is carefully shaped by Al Musawwir. Number 2, the one who gives every creature a unique appearance. Al Musawwir gives every creation its own distinct identity. Nothing is a duplicate. Humans are unique, different faces, fingerprints, voices, personalities. Animals are unique. No two zebras share the same stripes. Plants are unique. Leaves, flowers, and trees each grow with their own patterns and shapes. Nature is unique. No two snowflakes, clouds, or ocean waves are ever the same. Every part of creation carries its own special design from Al Musawwir. Number 3, the one who continues shaping over time. Allah does not shape creation only once, He keeps shaping everything throughout its entire lifespan. Human bodies grow, seeds open, roots spread, leaves change colors, animals grow and transform. If you look at the nature, land shifts, rivers carve paths, water shifts between ice, steam, rain, and oceans. The universe changes, stars appear and fade, galaxies expand, planets move. Every transformation in existence is Allah continuously reshaping His creation. Number 4, the one who perfects balance and proportions with purpose. In the human body, eyes are at the right height, legs strong enough to walk, a perfect balance between beauty and function. In the universe, the moon's distance, the earth's tilt, the pattern of seasons, the flow of rivers, everything is set in precise measure. Al Musawwir also creates nothing without purpose. Every form has a reason. Birds have wings for flight, fish have fins for movement, humans have brains and hearts for thinking and pondering. Nothing that Allah has designed is without purpose or wisdom. Al Musawwir occurs once in the Quran, but the root appears several times, consistently describing Allah's shaping creation. So, when you see beauty in the world, remember it is Al Musawwir showing his artistry. When you feel you are not beautiful or worthy, remember Al Musawwir is the one who gives everything its unique signature appearance. When you feel unseen in your growth or struggles, remember Al Musawwir is shaping you and everything around you with purpose. And when you feel purposeless, remember Al Musawwir never creates anything without meaning. Inshallah, we'll see you next time. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.